Hey y'all, as you can tell by the title, today we are going to review the Traveler's Choice Pagosa 2-piece indestructible hard shell luggage set. So, if you're new to this channel, my name is Meli'sa Denise, and this channel is all about positivity, self-care, family, and I also help you find luxury items at affordable pricing. So before we get into the details of this luggage set, let's go ahead and roll that intro. Alright you guys, I was looking for a luxury luggage set, and I do believe Traveler's Choice is a luxury set only because they do have different options that range from I believe 150 all the way up to like 600, and that's luxury in my opinion. There's a lot of 4-piece sets that you can get for the same price I paid for 2, but I do want to tell you the details about this. So after a lot of research and just looking at different sets, I did come up to the Traveler's Choice website, which is right here. That is the Pagosa 2-piece set. It does come in different colors. I did pick black just because with black I can add my touches, like if I want to add scarves, stickers, things like that. That's just my Jewish, that's my vibe, you know what I'm saying? So I definitely picked the black set, but as you can see they have 7 different colors and it is $199. So I would not be me if I did not look for a deal. I'm usually not an impulse buyer, so I do take a lot of time about researching and looking for different areas where I can find the same product at a good price. I stayed on Traveler's Choice for quite some time, like maybe a month or so. They never had a promo code, and that's okay. Their products are nice. So I end up ultimately going to Amazon and I'm finding a like new luggage set. They did have very good, acceptable and everything, but I did want something like new at a good price. I didn't want to compromise the quality of what I'll give, like little minor defects on the luggage. So I did get something like new, but we are definitely going to unbox this together today. So pricing, I paid $143.48. I will have the screenshots right here just in case I got the numbers wrong, but with tax it added like $12, and then I actually had a gift card balance of $7, so it kind of brought the price down to $148. I think that's right, y'all, but again I will be corrected here. So I spent $74 per piece, and one of these pieces actually have a charger, I can actually charge my phone with the luggage set, and to me that's luxury, baby. Like, you don't get that with everyone. So I'm really excited about this purchase. I have a few trips coming along, and I thought it would be best to have a carry-on, then a medium size, which basically fits my needs. And at $74 a pop, please definitely add to cart, purchase. But let's go ahead and start unboxing. Alright you guys, this will be my very first time seeing this. I hope I got the color. I hope it is like new. But we about to find out together, y'all. So let's get to it. You guys, it looks really good out the box. I'm gonna keep these on just to protect my filing cabinets so they don't roll back and forth. But let's unzip it and see the carry on first. Alright you guys, so I have the carry-on, which is 22 inches, and I have the medium size one, which is 26. I really, so far, love it. The sturdiness and the quality is good. And let me show you guys up close. It's very durable. There are some that you will see that you know, it feel like they good, but they really not, y'all. And here I see we have the charging station. That's so cool, y'all. I'm so excited about this, and the fact that you can open and close it, that's pretty cool. And then of course we have the standards, but let's open it all the way up. But you guys, we have it all the way open, and I'm really loving this. We have 1, 2 pockets here. So you can go inside and have a third pocket, and there's a lot of room in here. So it really goes pretty far back in. There's some that, especially at the 19, especially the 19-inch, I have found that they're not as much room on the inside. Of course, over 22, it's taller, so you get a little bit more room. But so far, I love it. We have the pocket in the middle. We have these pockets here. I will put more hygienic things here, and then we have the space in the back. And then on the very side is where you're able to charge your devices. It does say on the top that the charger devices power bank is not supplied. I do have a power bank, so it will sit right in this pocket. If you do not have one, I highly suggest you get one. Even with just everyday errands or going about your everyday life, I do think it is beneficial. Let's look at the expansion. So together it looks really tight, and then the expansion is about here. I still have it unzipped, so I'm trying to hold it together, but it looks really nice. It looks really, really nice. That's an extra inch of space, and when you're packing, that's a big difference. Let's go on to the medium size. So the medium size is 26 inches. It does have, it's identical to the carry-on in reference of like the pockets. Very good quality. And I just want to show you, I didn't have any hold-ups on the zipper. The only thing I wish, which I guess it wouldn't make a difference, is that if we had a power bank on this one as well, but we do not. It's only on the carry-on. I do take some trips to where I only do the medium carry-on. Now granted, you can't do anything once you check the bag, but it is nice to say, hey, it's running low, let me just charge the phone in my suitcase. But can't be too picky, because having just one charging port in one of your suitcases is a luxury. But just like the carry on, I definitely want to show you the up close. And honestly, it said like new. Baby, this is new. I see nothing that is an imperfection on this at all. At all. The wheels are smooth. The ease of the handle is nice, and it's wonderful. I love this. Like, I think I want to get my husband a set as well. I know he will love it. After seeing both of these, the carry-on and the medium size, and feeling the quality and looking at the handle and all the pockets and how much you can organize in just these two, or just in this one alone, would I say this is a must-buy? Yes, it is definitely a must-buy. And even if you have to purchase it from Traveler's Choice and have to pay the full $199, do it, because it's worth it. Now, if you want more bang for your buck, go check Amazon and see what they got. I do recommend getting like new though. You never know what you're going to get when you get something that's acceptable or good. Very good is still good too. Don't get me wrong. But because I did see very good sets at like $136, but I said like for $10 more like new, I'm going with the like new. And to be honest, this is new. I see absolutely no imperfections at all on this. It did come in a wet box, but that's just because right now it is raining outside. Buy it. So thank you guys for watching the Traveler's Choice Pagosa Indestructible Hard Shell Luggage Set review. And I do highly recommend you get this for your next trip. Until next time, bye.